Hello friends, how are you? Once there was a Master Suzuki in Japan. He runs many schools. He has many branches of his school, in which he teach the students the lesson of life, lesson of Buddha, how the life goes on. So he mostly teach the student from the remote villages, from the poor families. So it is 4 year course. So one in 1 year he called the 13 students. From among them 13, 12 students are from the different remote villages or poor families. The one guy is from the USA. He is a highly educated person, well course, uh, degree person. But why he came? Because his father told him about the Master Suzuki. So by the influence of his father, he came to learn the things of Buddha, how the life goes on better way. So in the first year, he told to every student that no need to do anything. You just clean the floor, clean the toilet, clean the rooms, make the food for your seniors, and then you will promote to the next class. So after doing all these things, and they didn't ask the why we have to do that, because they know that this is the master. He know how to teach the students. So they start the doing the thing. After 1 year, he stand up all the students in a one line. Then he, according to his performance, he's going to promote them. So he go to the first one, he say you are promoted to next class. To the second, you promote to the next class. Then third, you are promoted to the next class. Then 4, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then he came to the 13th student, that guy, that rich guy. He said, you are not ready, you have to spend 1 more year for the hair. He was broke, he was angry, but he say, okay, no problem, I will do that. Then again he has to make the food for the seniors who was there, his uh, class roommates. He sweep the floor, he clean the toilet, everything he do the for the whole next year, for the 1 year. Again after 1 year, he again stand all the students in a one line. Then again, you to the first, you are promoted to the next class, you are promoted to the next class, you are promoted to the next class. Like this, all the 12 students are promoted. Again he came to the, he say you are not still ready, you have to be here in 1 more year. This time that boy is very angry, become very upset, and angrily he said, no, I'm not going to tolerate this, I'm not accept this, I have to ask the master. I will ask why he do to me like that. Then he went to his room. There was Master Suzuki was sitting very silently. So he came, he shut the door hardly, and he opened the door. He came, he shouted, you are not doing good for me, you are not like this, you are not teaching me good, you are not promoting to me the next class. So, what I didn't do, what the other students do like this. Master Suzuki told him, come, keep calm, sit down. So that was it. So there was on a table, there was a cup of tea, and there is a jar of tea. So Master Suzuki told him, then please pour a cup of tea for me. Then he student take the jug, and he start the pouring. So pouring, he just stopped at the when the tea reach up to the top circle of the cup. Then Master Suzuki told, then who told you to stop? Continue pouring. Then he start pouring. Then tea came out of the cup fully. Then it is spread over the table. Then it on the floor. After that, that boy get angry, and he keep the jug on the table and say, "What you are going to prove me? Is I'm silly? Is I'm stupid?" Then Master Suzuki told him, "No, I want to tell you something, that why you're not promoting, because your cup, you are full, as like this cup. As much I want to pour anything, it's not going inside, it's overflowing, because you are full, because of your past karma, because of your past, you have learned everything, you are from a remote family, you are from a rich family, your cup is full. So whatever I am going want to teach, it's not going inside you. So you have to be empty your cup first. Then whatever I teach, you have to observe. Then you will go to next round. This is the reason your cup is full. You are not observing what I am teaching you. That's why you are again in third year you are here. So you have to empty your cup. So friends, this is a small story, that if our cup is full, we not do anything because we not going to observe anything. I got so many messages in my inbox, then how you do your manifest, how you achieve everything. We're not able to achieve anything, what the technique you use. So I want to tell you something, that this is a technique. When you going to manifest what you want, first you have to empty your cup, because in the full day you have so many angry, you have so much of negativity in your mind, you have so much of lot of things in your thoughts in your mind. So you have to empty your mind first, so that you can do the things better way. For this I have very good practice. Let me show you, let me help you. So do what I'm going to do, same as this. So raise your left arm and take it like this. You are holding a virtual cup in a cup. Then take your breath in, deep breath in, hold on, then release. Again take a breath in, hold on, then release. Again take a breath in, hold, release. Now you feel very calm. Then close your eyes and do whatever the things you're in mind, that yeah, this is not happening, the day was very bad, and this not I have fight with my kid, my husband, my daughter, my mother, my father. I have not good relation with friend, everything. So whatever the things are coming in your mind, just pour in the cup, just pour in the cup. Keep pouring, keep pouring, keep pouring, keep pouring, pouring. And once you feel that your cup is so heavy you can't hold it, then put your cup hardly on the floor and crush it with your feet, so that this thought doesn't come back in your mind. Then again take a deep breath in, hold, release. Then again take a deep breath in, hold, release. Then you feel that your head, you are very light, you will feel very light. And after that you can do your manifest. After 15-20 minutes again it will come, but no problem. Till 10-15 minutes you will feel your mind will be free, you feel you very light. And this is very powerful. Maybe it will not work first, second, third time, but you will to practice again and again. This will become your habit, and you will be get good result. And really friends, it really works, because empty your cup is very important. You have to come out everything from your mind while you're doing, when you're doing something new, you are learning something new, you have to keep your mind empty. So this is the real practice. Do it, and share your learnings, and share if you get good results, and share with your friends also, so that they can also get the benefits. Thank you, take care, bye bye.